friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pasta chips in the air fryer. So for this easy recipe, we need 2 cups of cooked pasta, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. So first I'm going to spray the air fryer basket with non-stick cooking spray so nothing sticks to the basket. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil to the cooked pasta. So for 2 cups of pasta, I'm going to use half a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. So first, actually, I'll toss the pasta with oil. And next I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. And I'll sprinkle it with Italian seasoning and garlic powder. And now let's toss it until the pasta is coated with Parmesan cheese. And now I'm going to put pasta in the air fryer. And I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And you can shake or use a spatula, but you basically want to mix them so they're not stuck together and they cook evenly. And now let's return it to the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the pasta chips. Look at them, they look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. The Parmesan is melted and browned and they're crispy. You hear them crunchy? So you turn pasta into Parmesan chips. Amazing. Now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying it. So crispy. Did you hear the crunch? They taste amazing and so easy to make. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!